my friend Mason and my friend Sebastian and me. We're doing what we did with my friend Elliot. We're making his normal self and then his ninja self. Elliot is the gray ninja. Okay, let's go. Let's break. Let's break him. No, let's not break him. We're making that guy. Like, why would I break him if I'm making him? That's a guy where he's gonna look like that. That way. Oh, these guys are so good. I'm just gonna break me. That way. First, we have to give him. We're giving him. What is it? We're giving him that hair. And it's gonna be blonde. Face is good. No, not ninja. The hands, peach. Body. To make his body that color. Arms. To make it the same color. I think that's good for Elliot. We're only 1 minute in and we're done what Elliot looks like. Yeah, he's just a normal kid, that one. Makes sense. Okay. Now let's make his ninja costume. We're doing the exact same. Just changing everything to be gray. Before we finish this, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and ring that bell. Oh, he can't go invisible, cool. He gets a super jump, for sure.
Detected a crime pretty close to you. Hey, wouldn't it be great if this was the last crime ever? Nah, a girl can dream.
This is Elliot. Not the best. Not the longest one. One of the easiest.
Dangerous out there.
Do you have a problem with constant Kree invasions? Then why not sign up for a crash course?
He also can climb walls? Where does he get everything?
Kung Fu, held at your local Kang-munity center.
This is Elliot the Gray Ninja. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and ring that bell, and comment below. Bye!